Maybe some of you are not aware what is this chaos all about. Let me share some little things about this. This is about the ascension. This is about the journey of humanity towards ascending to the higher realms. These dark forces do not want each and every one of us to ascend. That is why they are faking this religion. But religion will not help you in ascension. The only thing that will make it work is releasing ourselves from trauma, from pain, from negativity, from heartaches, and everything negative in our lives. We have to release that and start loving ourselves and start aligning ourselves to the divine regardless of your religion. Religion has nothing to do here. You can be a Muslim and align yourself to the divine. You can be a Jehovah's Witness and align yourself to the divine. You can be a Jew and align yourself to the divine. But regardless of your religion, religion will not save you. It is only your alignment to the divine. It is all about love. Because God is love. And God is within us. So if we align ourselves to love, and God is love, and God is within us, we will align ourselves from the sole of our feet to the top of our head. Everything is in alignment with love. Then who can be against us? The enemy will fall to the ground because we are in alignment. We have to be conscious all the time of everything that we do. We have to battle our minds because the negativity started here. We have to discipline our thoughts. Anytime there are negativity that came in, we have to twist that into positive. You have some memory there that is painful, you have to twist that into something positive. Painful memories, for example, ask yourself, how can I learn from this painful experience? What is the lesson I can learn out of this painful experience? Always look for something negative, so something positive out of that negativity, and focus on that positive, because that is our lesson and that is our learning, and we are ascending. We are ascending that way. It has nothing to do with religion. It has nothing to do with doctrines. It has nothing to do with books. It has something to do with the love. Love here that is in alignment with the divine, or you call God, or others call source, whatever. It's one and the same. Higher power. It's one and the same. There's no such thing as fixed name for that, because in the higher realms, we're not concerned about names. There's no such thing. And there's no such thing as someone seated on the throne, a white bearded guy that we worship 24 hours a day. There's no such thing. That should be an egoistic God. Ego does not exist in the higher realms. When Archangel Michael and Yeshua taught me about the higher realms, even Archangel Michael do not command me what to do. They just show me the things that I needed to learn. And when I asked, they answered me. But bowing to them, worshipping them, there's no such thing. It's a lie. It's a lie of the egoistic creators of religion. There's no such thing. One simple thing that we need to learn. Love. Unconditional love. Self-love most of all. If everything around you is negative, love yourself. You don't hit them because you love yourself. You just have to know that that's their choice. And if their choice is not your choice, you have to release them with love and start loving yourself and focus on you. It's always you who is the number one. And you will not fail. because you are the number one and you don't control other people. Let them dwell in their destiny. Let them dwell in their path, because this is all about learning. Earth is a school. This is a university. Our learning depends on how we work hard on ourselves. Alright? So, there's no such thing as I am better than you. No. Your path is different, mine is different. But the center of our focus is one and the same. Love. Unconditional love. Love of the divine that is within us, overflowing within us from the sole of our feet to the top of our head. Imagine that love light, as a ball, as a tiny piece of ball that runs from the sole of your feet to the top of your head, rolling up and down. Imagine that. Alright? That is love. Because God is an energy. There's no such thing as white-bearded guy seated on the throne. God is an energy, or you call that in religion spirit. Spirit and energy are one and the same. Terminology differs, but they're just one and the same. That is why some people call this energy, some people call this spirit. Because in the higher realms, what you will see there is a huge light, like a huge sun. Very soft in the skin, very soft, very loving light. It penetrates to your bones, but you will feel the oneness of that light. It's so beautiful. That is the love and the light. The source energy or the God energy, whatever your term is just one and the same. Alright? So, let's focus on love. When things around us are negative, let them. We don't control their path. Focus on you. Love yourself. Alright? Peace to everyone.